Jordan Foshi. I'm a dedicated Westlaw trainer here at Thomson Reuters. And today I'm going to show you one of the newer features we've added called Westlaw Answers. What Westlaw Answers really is, it acts as a quick reference page, just giving some quick answers on commonly asked questions on rules of law. So the way you can use this is just from your home page here. First, you're going to want to make sure you have your jurisdiction set up correctly. That is a key component of this. So here, looking at New York material, if I go ahead and go into the search bar and start typing in what are the elements, you'll see I'll start to get suggestions here. If I keep typing that out, let's say I want what are the elements of false arrest. Type that out. I can either press enter here or click this option from the drop-down menu. And it's going to take me to is the reference page for that particular question. What type of information that's going to give you on the page here is it's actually going to show you quotes from cases that lay out specifically what the elements of false arrest are for New York. So here we see under New York law, plaintiff claiming false arrest must prove these 4 elements, and you'll see them clearly out there, 1 through 4. We had people who went through cases, looking for cases that really nicely, clearly laid out what those elements are. You can use that. You can go to exactly where the quote appears in the document. If you click on that, it'll take you right there. It's going to be highlighted there for you. So that way you can get an idea of the context of that quote. You can see exactly where the court is citing to as well if you wanted to do some further research on that information. Or, if you're really just kind of looking for a quick answer to the element of a particular claim, you can just stay on this page and not go into those quotes. So that's how, that's just one of the slices of that answers page is looking at elements of claims. You can also use it to look at statutes of limitations. So if we just start typing statutes of limitations, don't even really need those leading question terms to pull it up. Again, start to see that pulling in there, and let's stick in the same topic. See the limitations for false arrest. Again, we'll get some quotes from cases telling us that time frame. So here it says, accrues on subjects released from confinement governed by 1-year statute of limitations. And again, you can go to the quotes in context in the documents, but that's with the statute of limitations pages. They're going to have links right to the actual statute that you'd want to be looking at. So here, just pull right into CPLR 215. And then we can see the exact text of that statute that we would be referencing here. There's one more section of that answers page, and it's related to legal definitions of terms. So if we wanted to see how New York defines seizure, we could click that. Here, referencing directly to the state constitution, telling us when one may be seized. Again, quotes from cases, allowing us to see the actual context of that quote as well. Same thing as those other 2 options. It'll just show us where that information is highlighted. Most of the time, these definition ones are going to be pulling from head notes of cases, but then still, you can click that number there and see where the actual text of the case is referencing that information. So the goal of Westlaw Answers really is to kind of cut down on that research time. If all you're really looking for is a quick answer, just want to see quickly what the elements of a particular claim are. I know a lot of times on other platforms, on Westlaw, you used to have to do a search, find a case on point, read through that case and see where it's discussing the actual elements of that claim, or you had to pull out an old horn book, find some information that way. Now we're really just trying to make it as easy as possible to pull into that information, see those really quick answers right here on your page. Again, the goal of this is really just to save you time, let us do some of that work before you even really start researching.